guys, Assalamualaikum. My name is Tahira Nandita Putri, and today I'll be showing you guys how I made these macrame straps with the ropes. Material I used is 25 meters of cotton rope, be divided into 3, 6 meters of colored cotton ropes, 2 keychains for each straps, and the last is scissors. Okay, first of all, I'd like to pin my brush to hook up the keychain. Next, I'll tie the lark's head knot to the 3 cords that I'll be using, and to the 4 middle cords I will tie the square knot, and then I will take the middle cords and make the diagonal double hitch to both sides, left and right. If my half diagonal double hitch has done, I will tie the square knot again and continue my diagonal double hitch knot until it forms the diamond shape. And now, as you can see, our diagonal double hitch knot has formed into the shape of the diamond. And then we'll keep repeating all the same knot that we have been used until we reach the length that we want. Ta-da! Here it is, our handy and beautiful straps have done. Here I have another size of the strap which enable you to bear your camera like a sling bag.